Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to create a 3D text effect on Canva. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Canva website and then just open up the project where you want to 3D your text. So let's just get on with it. So here's the text I have written here. So just select the text and after that you will be able to see the option of effects here. So just click on it and you'll see different styles here. So for the 3D effect you have to go and click on shadow. So after you click on shadow, make sure your offset is set to 76 here and your direction is set to 74. So as you can see, your text has been turned into a 3D text effect. So that's it with the video, guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.